Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check or change your password on TikTok. So let's dive in. Go to your TikTok. Okay, open your TikTok. You want to change your password, or you want to show your password. Alright, let's just dive in. So you can click on your profile here. Then you come here, click on this menu button. Then you click on the settings and privacy, and this is it here. Click on account and click on password, and this is it. Automatically TikTok has designed it for you that once it comes to your password you'll forget your password. So TikTok is going to send you a code for you to set your password. It is very easy. Just once the code enter your phone, click the code there and you'll be automatically set your password. You can set your password as many times as you want, so don't be panic whenever you don't remember your password and log into your TikTok. You can automatically reset it anytime in your convenient time. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.